Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a screen replacement on a Toshiba Satellite C655D-S5136. Now the first thing you need to do is turn off the computer, turn it over and take out the battery, just so whenever we replace it we don't short out anything, because that wouldn't be very good. And we need to turn it back over, open it up, and this is for an LED display only. If you have an LCD screen, then you'll have to find a different way to do it because it's a little bit different. First thing we need to do is remove these 4 little plastic covers over the screws so that we can get to the screws. And I'm just using a push pin to do it because it's easy to get in there and I won't scratch up the casing. Then once you get those removed, you need to use a Phillips screwdriver and you'll take out these 4 screws. And then once you get those screws out, you can just take your fingers over the top, start to kind of pry it apart. There's a bunch of little locking points all the way around. You'll start to feel them come loose. Then you hear a snap for each one. But stop when you get down here to the bottom, so we have to get it all the way around first. We'll get all those done. And you gotta try to get the front of the screen too. And you'll have to leave these on for now. And once you get all those loose, you need to take a pair of tweezers and get them under there so that you can get them in between the little bendy piece right here. Then you just pull up, straight up. That way you don't snap it. Then you get the other one off. Straight up. And we'll set that off to the side because we don't need it right now. And then there is 6 screws, 3 on each side of the screen. That's the only thing that's holding the screen in place. So we're going to go ahead and just take those out. Then as soon as you get that last screw out, you take the display, pick it up, lay it flat on the keyboard. Then you have this little flex strip right here. You just take it, you kind of peel it off of that, you pull it straight out. And that's it for that. Then we're going to set this off to the side because it's garbage. We're going to take out our new display. We're going to leave this covering on it for a second. We're going to make sure that it's the same part and same pieces and everything. And you know that it's an LED display because it only has this one little strip for us. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen up these little tape pieces holding the display, the protector over it. We're going to pull that off. We're going to put it flat down on the keyboard so that we don't scratch it. You're going to hold it, the flex strip, and you're going to attach it right back into the keyboard. You're going to secure it and tape it down with the piece of tape that's on there. And you're going to stick it back up on the mounting brackets. Then we're going to start putting these little black screws in again. And after we do that, we're going to go ahead and put the plastic casing back on. We're going to start at the bottom where we peeled it off. You're going to have to kind of bend them to get them to fit back on there. And you start snapping it all the way around. Make sure you get it at the bottom too. Then after that, we're going to put these 4 large silver screws back in. Then we're going to take our little plastic pieces, cover the screws back up. We're going to put that on there. Then we're going to close the laptop, flip it over. We're going to put the battery back in it. Then when you start it up, your screen should be fixed. There you go. And that's how you install a LED monitor on a Toshiba Satellite C655D-S5136. Thanks for watching.